I am going to teach you today the phonic sound and vocabulary of letter F. This is a letter F. This is a letter F. F is a letter in the English alphabet. This is called capital F. This is called capital F. And this one is called small f. This one is called small f. Or you can say this is an uppercase F. This is a lowercase f. The phonic sound of letter F is F. F says F. F says F. Now let us learn the vocabulary of letter F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. Now with the phonic sound. F for fish. F for fan. F for fan. F for fan. F for fan. F for fruits. F for fruits. F for fruits. F for fruits. F for flower. F for flower. F for flower. F for flower. F for frog. F for frog. F for frog. F for frog. F for flag. F for flag. F for flag. F for flag. I repeat. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. F for fan. F for fan. F for fan. F for flower. F for flower. F for flower. F for flag. F for flag. F for flag. F for frog. F for frog. F for frog. F for fruits. F for fruits. F for fruits. Now with the phonic sound. F for fish. F for fan. F for flower. F for flag. F for frog. F for fruits. Thanks for watching this video. For more upcoming videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.